Good morning, sixth grade, and welcome to our week of work for this week. So, we're trying something out a little bit different this week in that we created a pacing guide to kind of help you plan out when things should be done during the week to make it a little bit easier for you guys to plan out when you're going to work on everything. So, while these are set out in what day I'd like you to complete them on, Monday to Friday, you may complete them at any point, so long as they're done before Sunday. So, for this week, I'm going to kind of break it down. So, every single day, you guys are going to be working on a Reworks article of the day. So, what that means is you guys are going to click into that link. You're going to make sure you sign in with your school Google account, so your 6000 number, student ID number at hbgsd.k12.pa.us, and whatever password you're using now to log in. You are going to pick, there are 6 articles, you only need to do 5 of them. I'm asking you pick whichever one sounds more interesting to you because all of them are related to what we're talking about this week in class. So you'll see that there are 6 different types. Pick one to read. On Monday specifically, you should be watching this video. This should be the very first thing that you do. And after that, you're going to do an introduction question using Padlet. The link to the Padlet is under the Monday introduction question. All you need to do is click the link and it will bring you right to it. Then there is a potential and kinetic energy review game, which is through Kahoot. You're just going to go in. I'm asking that you put your first name and last initial so that I know when you've completed it. And it'll show you how you scored in relation to the people around you, and you can go back and check how your score relates at the end of the week too, which is kind of fun, I think. Kind of a game. For that should take about 5 minutes for the Padlet, between 5 and 10 minutes for the kinetic and potential energy review that we did last week. On Tuesday, there are types of energy videos. So there are 3 videos for you to watch, which takes about 7 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, maybe a little shorter. On Wednesday, you're going to do the what kind of energy sheet. Now, what that looks like is you are going to go in and you're going to click into the rubric, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to answer the questions. So as you can see, for this it gives you an example up here. If we were in school, we would have read this in our book, that a pinball machine talked about how sound energy was in the bells of the ball hitting the bumpers. Electromagnetic, or light energy, was the light that were produced when the game was on, and electrical energy was running through the wires that caused the whole system to work. In this worksheet, I'm just asking you to think about the different types of energy and how you might see it in a television, in a hairdryer, and in a car. For Thursday, you're going to be completing an online lab activity. So you have a sheet that you're going to be filling out as you go through, where you're going to write a description of what's happening and the type of energy that's showing. So the link that pops up is going to look like this. If yours didn't work, you're going to have to go into the settings, probably up here, and allow for flash. What you're going to do is you're going to click. There's 5 different scenarios. There are 5 different scenario boxes. In there, you're going to write a description of what's happening. You get that by clicking on the picture. So a high pressure steam spins a turbine, and you're going to say what type of energy you think that is going to be. And then you click on to the other 2 scenarios. It will tell you if you are correct or incorrect as you go through. And at the end, there's just a couple journal questions that I'm asking you to answer. They're called journal questions because the journal is right over here and has them. But I cannot see if you answer it in the activity. And then finally, on Friday, there's going to be a Flipgrid video. For the Flipgrid video, what it's going to be is you're going to click into the account, you're going to sign in with Google, so I'll sign in with my school Google account. It's in the 6th grade. Energy conversion entertainment. So, Being in quarantine has been hard, working on different hobbies than we normally would. For a wrap up for this week, I want you to think of different hobbies that you're doing at home and describe how you are converting one type of energy to another in that activity. In this, you must talk about at least 3 changes in energy. That can mean that you're describing one activity that has 3 energy transformations or 3 separate activities in total. Please make sure to explain how they're changing. You're just going to press the plus sign to record a response, and it will prompt you to create a video. Okay. At the end of this week, when you submit on Friday, you will be done for the week. Now, granted, we are not going to count it late so long as it is due by Sunday. So, work on this at your own pace. If you guys need any help, please remember that we have our office hours posted on our Google Classroom. Check it out. Come and talk to us if you're having any problems. And we will see you guys online. Bye.